Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel BlendixSerial. Today I'm going to show you about how to work with Arduino, or you can say microcontroller. Okay, because many days ago I have seen this cool thing on YouTube channel. This channel
Under
teaches you
interface.
about how to
When you
use
enable
Blender
makes it easy
and
to
work with
manipulate objects.
Arduino
You can
to
move,
control
rotate, scale,
something,
and change their
control
properties
some
effortlessly.
object you want.
The add-on also allows you to update text objects in real time with
This
incoming
channel
data.
can give you a
Whether
nice
you're displaying
channel, but
sensor
today I'm
readings or
going to
any other
show you
information,
for little
BlendixSerial keeps
3
your text
channel to
objects up to
send
date, providing
data
dynamic
in
visual
Blender
feedback.
or your project. Okay, now I have my project. Okay, I'm already set up. Okay,
To download the BlendixSerial add-on, simply visit. It allows you to connect.
alright, this is my camera, and you can see my microcontroller, and I set up a suspension handle for control this object. Okay, now you can see when I move a light handle forward and backward, you can see the number is changing. Okay, let's go. Okay, I have to set keyframe to number 0 and clear keyframe. Okay, I'm gonna press G and move and cancel by right click on my mouse, and then go to play. Okay, now you can see this is my handle. I gonna move, I gonna set this camera view by rotate this position meter. Okay, move this. Okay, enough. And then go to move a view handle. Okay, if I want to turn left, I'm gonna move handles like this. Okay, left handle control a left tank's view, you can see. Okay, let's go to the road. Okay, now you can see. Okay, let's try to control on road. Okay, sorry for my camera. Okay, we can move like this to control object. We are in Blender render, but I can use this form move, and I can make animation to make on my game. Okay, let's try to move to looking for how smoothly I can move. Okay, let me change camera view like this. Okay, let me move backward. Okay, this move backward. Okay, when you want to move forward, just put the handles forward like this. If you want to turn left, just move your handle like this. Okay, turn left little and right. Okay, you can see the number about the parameter value. You rotate your potentiometer. Okay, if you want to make your vehicle stop, you need to hold handles to number 0 like this. Okay, if you want to move a camera, I can move this potentiometer to see camera view I want. Okay, if I want to look in this view, I can stop by rotate potentiometer to number 0. Okay, and then drive again. Okay, move forward. Okay, turn left. Okay, let's try to move backward. Okay, go forward and turn left a little. For me, I try to get used to it. It is not difficult to move. I think you can do it. Okay, for implementation of this project, I think I can use this my console DIY to make a cutscene game because I am recording video. Okay, I'm gonna stop record by click on this. Okay, go back to frame number 0. You can see when I play again, this it means I record I recorded video. Okay, this is whatever I have done recently. I think we can use it for if you want to make a cutscene game and you don't want to make a keyframe or move because it's more complex. Okay, and now I'll try to learn some more about this. If I have another project, I will show you. Okay, you can see I didn't control anything. Thank you.